What's the secret behind a luxury car's impeccable sparkle? Stay tuned to uncover the magic of professional detailing. Picture this: a sleek Aston Martin rolls in, looking a bit weary from the road. First up, the experts at Ecoverde begin with a thorough wash, using pH-balanced shampoos to protect that precious paintwork. Now, it's not just about making it sparkle, it's about preserving the car's grandeur. Next, tiny brushes get into every nook and cranny, dislodging the grit that lesser cleanings leave behind. With precision, the detailers apply a clay bar treatment, pulling out impurities from the paint that you didn't even know were there. Now, for the piece de resistance, the polish. This isn't just any polish. It's a high-grade, swirl-removing miracle worker that brings out a deep, glossy shine. And finally, a protective sealant is applied, ensuring the car not only shines brighter than a diamond, but is also shielded from the elements. So there you have it. Next time you see a luxury car gleaming as it glides down the street, you'll know the kind of meticulous care that went into its sparkle. Thanks to the pros at Ecoverde, luxury cars get their groove back, one detail at a time.